Greetings from Luminescence. This is Kate, and I'm showing you a few tips for how to top stitch your finished Tanabata quilt project. We're going to be looking at 4 Altair blocks sewn together, and as you can see, we have the etched star, and then you have your outer embossed orb with your contrast center stars in position. What I recommend is don't stitch on top of the embossed areas, because this is what creates that wonderful magical shadow. If you flatten these things down, it's just going to look like any old quilt. So what I like to do is stitch in what I call the negative space, or the etched areas. It's very easy to just follow the outline of the star. You don't have to mark it, you just follow the guidelines here. And what that will do is anchor the base fabric down and allow these areas to raise up and look much more pronounced. And overall, when you see this in the finished quilts or table runner, it's going to be extremely dramatic. It's also very quick, and what's nice is that when you're done, you flip it over and you're going to see a nice little star pattern on the back side of your creation.